Hey, welcome back to Timbo's Food Box. I'm Tim, and today I'm opening a box from HelloFresh. Let's get into it. It's very small than the average box I get, right? Except this HelloFresh box is not a frozen meal kit. This box has meat in it, but it's not mainly a frozen box of meat. It's actually fresh meal kit. The meat that I get comes frozen and I have to cook it from scratch. But this right here is an entire meal. All the ingredients that are needed to make that meal. So it's making it super easy. And I'm wondering if this is gonna replace like date nights. That way I can make a cool looking meal for my wife. And then she thinks I'm just like this awesome chef all of a sudden. I don't know. You know, and better yet, it might actually get you some bonus points. Oh, I'm not promising anything. Nothing at all. All right, so I'm gonna get into this box. I'm gonna tell you what I think of the packaging itself. Right here, I opted to sign up for, I believe, 4 meals, and I think it's ×2. So for 2 people, each meal will feed. It did take like 2 days to get to me, so I'm a little concerned things are starting to thaw out. I do have to mention that on the bottom here, I don't know if you can see it, it's wet. I do not know if that wetness is from being outside, and maybe it just sat in a puddle somewhere, or if something is starting to leak inside my box. If that's the case, I'm gonna have to give them a call and be like, what the heck is going on? Some of the other companies I've reviewed, I've had issues. They were more than happy to send me something new because they want to provide the best customer experience. And I think that's really important for a food box company, is to serve up a really, really good customer experience, because it's gonna just make me wanna buy again and again and again. So HelloFresh's mission is to change the way people eat forever. So they're worried about the budget, helping consumers save money with every meal, freshness, to make sure everything is really fresh and high quality food, by the way, taste, allowing everyone to enjoy a variety of food and different diets, and sustainability, less food waste. CO2 neutral delivery of every box. Pretty freaking cool, right? HelloFresh is a meal kit provider. They originally were based in Germany, but it came over to the US, and they're finding that it's become wildly popular here. So I'm really pumped for that. I'm really interested to see what the Germans are eating and if their taste buds are like our taste buds. So this is a meal subscription plan that I signed up for. So every week I'm gonna get a box of fresh meals. You can get as many as 6 different recipes per week. So that's pretty damn good, right? You have a different meal for every night. I'm one of those people that like to cook one night and then just have the food for the whole week. So I don't know if that's called a meal prepper or whatnot, but their selection is huge. Like honestly, there was 20+ meals. Everything from like vegan, vegetarian, keto, 30 fit, all the different diet plans essentially. It's good for everybody. And then there was a couple that was like super high in calories, which I wasn't a fan of. I tried to pick out ones that were semi-good and also something that my wife and son will also maybe eat. I will cook one up for you and show you how hard it was and if I recommend this particular product to you. Let's open it up. Hello! All right, so I'm really curious if this is going to make me fat. Who knows? There's the box. Got some note cards on top, the different recipes that I have, and they show instructions as to how I should go about cooking them. Now I have 3 gift cards here. Give a friend a free box, plus $15 off, and they'll get 3 gifts. Well, that's wonderful. I can give away free meals to some of my friends. So inside here, look at that. We got some bags. Let's pull out the first one here. It's cold. Is there dry ice? I do not see dry ice. So the first one here, I have a sheer pan Dijon onion-crusted chicken. Boom. So we have 10 ounces of chicken cutlets, 3 ounces of honey Dijon dressing, a half a cup of Monterey Jack cheese. We have 2 crispy fried onions, hopefully there's more than 2, and then 12 ounces of green beans, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, ciabatta. I do not know if I'm saying that right. I've never seen that one. Ciabatta. You get 2 of those. It's somewhat keto. You got your protein, you got your vegetables. The fried onions are kind of carby, but everything else, it's looking pretty solid. We got a 5-minute prep time, 30-minute cook time, and 750 calories. It doesn't have all those carbs, so that's probably why it's a little bit cheaper. Next one here, I can't pronounce this. The Southwest Beef Cava Topi, some type of pasta dish. Boom. It's a pretty good sized bag compared to this one, right? We have 2 long green peppers, 2 scallions, 12 ounces of pasta, 20 ounces of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of Southwest spice blend, 14 ounces of diced tomatoes, 4 beef stock concentrates, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 8 tablespoons of smoky red pepper, 1 cup of Mexican cheese, and 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. That is a lot of ingredients in this meal here. Prep time is 5 minutes and cook time is 35. In total, it's about 1,010 calories. Next one down. What the heck? These names. Bulgogi pork tenderloin. Boom. Bag feels cold, so that's good. So prep for 10 minutes, 30-minute cook time again, and we have 700 calories. The ingredients that are included inside that bag are 24 ounces of carrots, 1 lemon, 2 scallions, 1 cup of jasmine rice, 20 ounces of pork tenderloin, 8 ounces Bulgogi sauce, which consists of sesame, soy, and wheat. And then we have 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Pretty basic meal. On the back of all of these cards, it gives full instructions how to actually make this meal. Last one. All right, so the leaking that I felt on the bottom, it's none of these bags. There's nothing on the bottom. So this one's fully loaded pork tacos. 5-minute prep time, cool. 30-minute cook time, and 1,000 calories per person. Ingredients: 2 yellow onions, 20 ounces of ground pork, 2 tablespoons of Southwest spice blend, 2 Tex-Mex paste, never heard of that before, 12 flour tortillas, 1 cup of Mexican cheese, 1 lime, 2 tomatoes, 6 tablespoons of sour cream, 8 tablespoons of guacamole, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. And if you didn't want the ground pork, I guess you could have gotten ground beef or ground turkey instead. All right, so that's my box. Don't forget ingredients which may be hiding underneath the ice. There's more, folks. This bag is wet. Check it out. We got our ground pork. So this is previously frozen. So I'm guessing they came frozen and then they just used the meat as pretty much an ice pack. That's what I'm assuming, because this is all thought out. We got ground beef. Nice portion size. We have chicken cutlets. Got 2 of them there. And this is the one that's leaking. Pork tenderloin. I'm guessing this is what I'm cooking up first. And then this is legit a ice pack, and it's also dripping. But it's hard as a rock still, so it's still frozen. So that is a good sign. These would have lasted a little bit longer. Essentially what they're doing here is they're just making a refrigerator inside this box to make sure all this food gets here successfully. And the very important stuff, which is the meat, is sitting directly on the ice, where everything else is sitting up above and just acting as a refrigerator, because everything's wrapped individually in its own paper bag. Let's do it. So we have the fully loaded tacos. We have our seasoning, sauce, cheese, so everything's individually packaged, sour cream in this small little baggie. There's our guacamole. I was really hoping for a lot more guacamole than this little cup right here. 1 full lime, 1 full tomato, which looks freaking amazing, because I would figure because it's being bounced around so much that it'd be ruined. It isn't. 1 really small onion. There's our hot sauce. Tortilla. We got some more sour cream. So that's all that's in that bag. This here is like enough for 2 people, they're saying. 2 portions, not bad at all. Next one here here is a pork tenderloin. This is what I'm gonna cook tonight for dinner. So there's that soy saucy sauce, a bag of rice, which is the jasmine rice, scallions, lemon, 3 massive carrots, and then the sesame seeds. So that's really cool. Like, this is real ingredients. Other pre-packaged meals I've gotten in the past, nothing like this. So now we have the Southwest beef pasta, Mexican cheese, massive pepper. This is sour cream, 2 of those. Hot sauce, beef stock. Look how cute they are. They come in these little bags. Our diced tomato sauce. This would be the beef broth. Pasta, yum. Scallions, seasoning, another sour cream. That's it in that one. So there's a lot of ingredients there. It can be really easy just to take all these ingredients out and just start cooking away. This is the last one here. So this is a sheet pan Dijon onion-crusted chicken. I'm thinking this one's gonna be the most basic. Well, there's that bread I was talking about. Cheese, onions, garlic powder, giant bag of green beans, Dijon honey mustard dressing. Beautiful, and that's it. So I'm honestly like pumped to cook this, but at the same time, I'm kind of lazy and I don't want to cook it. I just want to be able to heat something up in the microwave and eat it right now. So I can't wait to see what this is all going to taste like. I have high hopes. Honestly, I have high hopes because this company specializes in doing this. With that said, like, why wouldn't it be good? Why would you be selling a awful product? Everything here I paid for. HelloFresh did not send me this box. So, HelloFresh. Why would you want to pick out HelloFresh rather than like one of those companies that come all cooked already and you just microwave them? Here, you're getting real ingredients, and I'm gonna learn how to cook something new. If I love something, I can, legit do it myself. Go to the store and buy the ingredients. But that's the thing. Each one of these meals is for 2 people. If you were to go to the grocery store and buy some of those things, you're gonna buy a whole lot more of that particular item. You're gonna buy carrots, you're gonna buy like 20 carrots in the package. You might only need 3 for the recipe. So now you have all this extra food laying around the house that either goes to waste or you're trying to use up. And then you're making things that you're not really wanting to make. So by using this company here, it allows you to save money and you're using the ingredients that you need. That's it for that. I'm gonna go upstairs in a few minutes and try cooking up one of these. I should also mention, you should check out my description down below, as well as my comments. I'm gonna put my promotional code to save you some money off your first order of HelloFresh.
Here are the instructions. I'm gonna use an air fryer because I don't feel like putting stuff in my oven right now. Let's eat this and see what we got. I'm gonna start with the pork first. The pork, it's pretty good. It's a little dry and a little chewy, but I'm pretty sure I overcooked this and left it on the pan way too long. So I'll give it another shot. Same consensus. The sauce, it tastes like soy sauce. Let me taste the pork first. Yeah, I definitely overcooked the pork. It's a little chewy, a little dry. The sauce does make up for it just a little bit. It's not too bad so far. The sauce itself, it's a little salty, but I should expect that from like a soy sauce. Let's try the carrots now. Tastes exactly like a carrot. Let's try the rice now. That is very different. I've never had rice with lemon on it and some lemon zest. I probably did the zest wrong. Never done that before, once again. So final conclusion here, it's not bad. This tastes really good. It did take a lot longer than I expected. I did have some help from my son, which is awesome. This is good food. I would recommend it to anybody looking for a easy to cook meal that you can do at home. This would be perfect for you guys out there to cook something nice to your wife. Should do it. Check it out. I'll be sure to put my promotional code down in my description down below, as well as pinned in my comments. This is good. Never thought about baking carrots before. I do want to mention that not all the ingredients kind of came in this box. I still had to include olive oil, salt, pepper, and butter. So I wish they kind of let me know that ahead of time. That would need additional ingredients to get this meal cooked. I got the pasta dish here. Let's check it out and see what it tastes like. Expect it to be spicy. Not spicy at all. It's actually quite creamy. I think that's what the sour cream did to it. That's really good. I really like that. Wow. That is so good. Made this taco thing. I did cheat and take a bite already, but I'm gonna take another bite because this is actually really good. Oh. Check back for another meal. I strongly recommend this. I got another meal here. This is chicken with onion crust and green beans. The chicken looks like it tripled out to nothing because I think I overcooked it. Bon appetit. That is really good. Never had mustard on my chicken before with onions on top. There's also Monterey Jack, so the cheese might also do a little something something. Check out the green beans. Just like they normally do. The green beans are seasoned with a little bit of sea salt and olive oil. Would I recommend this? Yes, I would. This one was probably the simplest out of all four. If you're looking for something simple, be sure to check out this chicken breast with the onions on top and the green beans.
Honestly, people, this is a really good deal and you can cancel it anytime. Right now I have a box coming every other week, and then you can also choose the meals you want. You're not getting random meals. Everything here I chose from the selection of like 20 plus meals. So I'm forced to try something new. If you're liking this content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It's a free way to help support my channel and to help me grow and do more of these reviews. If there's a box out there that you're looking at, but you're not like really sure, well, put that box down in my description, leave me a comment, and I'll consider maybe purchasing that box and reviewing it on this channel. See this video right here? YouTube is telling me that you would really like it, so maybe you should click it and check it out. If I was you, I would do it.